Senior Day, a day of lasts, the last team huddle, the last time walking off the court, the last serve of a long career, the last post-game address.
We're also really sad that it's over. You know, it's been a huge part of our lives for so long.
It's kind of hard to give it up.
Seniors Kristen Corinne-Aldesi and Aaron Overdevest are leaving more than just the court behind. They're leaving all their own growth as students as well as players.
Those two young women, two of the strongest characters. I couldn't have asked for two greater young women to lead our program this year.
I think that they look up to us, but when we all try and learn from each other, you know, we're really close and we have great chemistry.
Coach Robin Sparks knows the true value of the two players to the team.
They've really showed them how to be good students, how to be great leaders, how to be good citizens, and their passion for this sport is unmatched.
Yet in their last game in a Bobcats uniform, neither player changed their message to the team.
Basically, just go out and do it. That's all we said.
Go out and have fun and, you know, show everyone what we've been working hard for this whole season.
As the team celebrated their last game and win of the 2009 season, both Kristen and Aaron were grateful of the time they had to be with the team.
It's bittersweet. Couldn't have asked for a better ending to a season. We just all came out and played our hardest. No, this is going to be up there for a memory.
I think just there's not just one memory, it's the memory of the bond that we formed between all of our teammates, because we're all so close and we all love each other and we're learning so much from each other.
And if they do become the next Kerry Walsh and Misty May Traynor, their legacy at Quinnipiac won't soon be forgotten. For Q30, I'm Sam Friedman.